Hi, good evening, everyone. Today we will go ahead and take 10 questions based on consumer theory. These are very important, basic but important questions, and you must go ahead and give some time with me to solve these questions. So let us have a look at the first question of the day. It says, the law of diminishing marginal utility states that when more and more units of commodity are consumed, marginal utility. So we know that the law of marginal utility is diminishing, which means as you increase the consumption of the good, the marginal utility decreases. So the answer will be begins to decrease. That means C. So the answer to this question is C. It begins to decrease. Okay, beta, come to the next question. When total utility is maximum, marginal utility becomes. So we know that we have a graph like this. So this is total utility. And when total utility is maximum, marginal utility is 0. When total utility decreases, beta, negative, ho jati hai marginal utility. So when total utility decreases, marginal utility is negative. When total utility is increasing, marginal utility is decreasing but positive. So when total utility is maximum, marginal utility is 0. So answer to this question is 0. Okay, come to the next question. If consumer consumes only one commodity X, he will be in equilibrium when? So बेटा जब सिर्फ एक commodity consume करते हो, जब दो करते हो तो ये होता है MUX by MUY is equal to PX by PY. Actually, books will write equal to MUM also. ठीक है? When there is a single commodity, so some books will write like this: MUX by MUM is equal to PX. Right? But सब यहाँ पर MUM की बातें नहीं हो रही है. They're not talking about marginal utility of income. So simply we will assume this to be 1, and the answer will be where the price and marginal utility are equal. So if you derive additional utility equal to the price that you pay for the commodity, वो ही equilibrium हो जाएगा. That will be your equilibrium. So answer to this question, beta, will be B. Marginal utility is equal to price. ठीक है, next part पे हो. What will be condition of total utility when marginal utility stays positive? Again, we have seen this. This is total utility function and this is marginal utility function. So beta, when total utility is positive, marginal utility is still diminishing but positive. So it says उल्टा पूछ रहा है, ये बोल रहा है जब marginal utility positive है तो total utility को क्या होगा? Total utility will be increasing. So answer will be increasing. It will be C. Right? Okay, come to the next question. When total utility is increasing at diminishing rate, marginal utility must be. So beta, total utility increase तो हो रही होती है, but it is always increasing at decreasing rate. यहाँ पे भी it is increasing, but at a decreasing rate. So therefore, marginal utility is decreasing only. So answer to this question will be decreasing. Marginal utility is decreasing. It is B. Come to the next question. Marginal utility of a particular commodity at a point of saturation is. So but a point of saturation is the point where you have got maximum satisfaction. You will stop. This is where your total utility is maximum. And जब total utility maximum है तो marginal utility को क्या होगा? It will be 0. Marginal utility will be 0. So when total utility is maximum, marginal utility will become 0. So answer to this question is 0. Okay, come to the next question, beta. Which of the following options is incorrect? तो बेटा पहला ऑप्शन देखते हैं. It is incorrect का पूछ रहा है. Marginal utility is TUN plus 2 minus TUN plus 1. ठीक है. एक एडिशनल कमोडिटी कंज्यूम करने पे कितनी एडिशनल यूटिलिटी मिल रही है, वही तो मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी है, राइट? सो दिस इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. सो ए इज करेक्ट. Second, Marginal utility is total utility by quantity. Nana, that can be average utility, not marginal. So this is not marginal utility. Incorrect. Marginal utility is difference between total utilities. Correct. Marginal utility का sum total utility देता है. Correct. So the only incorrect option will be B. B is incorrect. Okay. Come to the next question. In which analysis can utility function be measured in definite numbers such as 1, 2, 3, etc.? How can we measure this 1, 2, 3 mein? Only if it is a cardinality concept. Cardinality is in terms of numbers. Ordinality is in terms of ranking. So if it is a cardinality concept, tab hum numbers mein karenge. If it is an ordinality concept, tab hum ranking mein karenge. So the correct answer to this question should be A. It is a cardinality concept. Okay, come to the next question, beta. Under cross elasticity of demand between two substitute products, dash. Okay, so beta, substitute products, जैसे tea and coffee. When price of tea increases, demand of coffee will increase. So cross price elasticity is positive. So when price of one product increases, demand of the other product increases. They move in the same direction. So same direction. So answer to this question should be B. If price of one product decreases, demand of other product also decreases. Answer is B. Okay, beta, come to the next question. An inferior good is a commodity whose dash with an increase in income. So inferior goods कौन से होते हैं? When income increases, demand decreases. So they have opposite relationship with income. ठीक है जी. So answer to this question will be A. Demand falls with increase in income. So answer will be A. So these are the 10 questions that I wanted to discuss today. We will continue such discussions in the